I guess it's that time of the year for my dog to be on her cycle. So guess what? I'm gonna have to try to put this pamper, and I'm also put some like this bodysuit on her so the pamper could stay on. Cause guess what? She'll kick that thing off fast, quick, in a hurry. Y'all saw the struggle. Finally was able to get this on her. This probably gonna last maybe a few hours. But that bodysuit right there keeps that diaper from it. It look like it's already about to slip. She just got about maybe another week or so, and she should be good and free to roam around.